Hello everyone! Welcome back to Best Product. Today, we're exploring the Dowel Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box. If you're a cat owner who wants a cleaner home and less daily hassle, this smart solution from Dowel could make life much easier. The Dowel Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box is designed to handle litter cleaning automatically while keeping your pet safe and comfortable. Let's get started. The Dowel Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box is built to simplify life for cat owners. Instead of scooping litter every day, this smart device takes care of the cleaning process for you. Dowel designed it with advanced automation and app control so you can manage your cat's litter box with very little effort. One of the most impressive features is the fully automatic cleaning system. After your cat finishes using the litter box, the system begins a safe and controlled cleaning cycle. This keeps the litter fresh and helps reduce unpleasant odors in your home. It also means you do not need to handle waste as often, which makes daily pet care much more convenient. Another great feature is the smart app control through the Tuya Smart system. With this feature, you can monitor and control the litter box directly from your phone. You can adjust cleaning schedules, check activity, and even track your cat's habits. This makes it easier to understand your pet's routine and quickly notice any changes that might affect their health. Safety is also a major focus in the design. The litter box includes gravity-sensing sensors and an infrared safety sensor. These sensors detect when your cat enters or approaches the box and automatically pause the cleaning process. This helps keep your cat safe and comfortable while using the device. When it comes to design, Dowel created a smart balance between space and comfort. Even though the litter box has a compact outer size, it offers a spacious interior that gives your cat plenty of room. The removable barrel and T-shaped mesh filter make cleaning simple, while the leak-resistant structure helps keep your floors clean and dry. In everyday life, this smart litter box saves time and reduces mess. Instead of worrying about constant cleaning, the system quietly manages the job for you. Your home stays fresher, and your cat always has a clean space to use. The Dowel Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box is ideal for busy cat owners, people with multiple pets, and anyone who wants a smarter and cleaner way to manage litter maintenance. A cleaner home and easier pet care can start today. Check the price link in the description, and if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to Best Product for more helpful product discoveries. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.